Good morning, my little ones. How are you all today? I hope all of you are fine and you had a very nice weekend. So today is Sunday, 10th of May 2020. So this week we are going to learn about different animals. Do you remember we already did this topic in the class about jungle animals, farm animals and sea animals. So today's lesson is about farm animals. So are you guys ready for your lesson? Okay, that's nice. Let's start. My dear students, as per our schedule, we will start with our English lesson and after that we will do our maths worksheets. And then I will tell you a story about farm animals and the title of the story is A Day on the Farm. So keep listening and let's start our work. Hello my little singers. So today we are going to sing two beautiful songs. The first one is about farm animals. Yes, we are going to sing Old MacDonald's. So are you guys ready for some singing and dancing? Okay, let's start. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there, here ba, there ba, everywhere baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a nana here and a nana there, here na, everywhere nana. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well done guys, that was very nice. Okay, the second song is about counting our fingers and toes. So, are you guys ready? That's nice. Let's start. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands with me. Let's count our toes. How many toes on one foot? How many toes on one foot? How many toes on one foot? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many toes on 2 feet? How many toes on 2 feet? How many toes on 2 feet? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very well done, guys. That was very, very nice. My dear students, in our first English lesson, today we are going to learn how to trace alphabets from A to Z. Then we will learn about farm animals. And then you have a very interesting activity for arts and craft. My dear students, today you are going to trace all the letters from A to Z. As you can see the dotted alphabets on your page. You're going to look at the letters in the formation chart and follow the arrows to write all the letters. My dear students, this is again a worksheet for practice writing the English letters from A to Z. Please look at the formation chart above and try to follow the arrows and write the letters. My dear students, today we are going to learn about farm animals. If you remember, we already discussed about farm animals in our classroom. So, do you remember what are farm animals? Yes, farm animals are those animals who live on the farms. And they give us variety of food. And can you name some of the farm animals? Yes, we have goat, sheep, camels, horses, donkey, chicken, duck, goose, and there are a lot of animals who live on the farm. And why those farm animals are important for us? Yes, they give us variety of food. For example, chicken. From chicken we get the eggs. Cow gives us milk and meat. Yes, and goats also. From goats we can have meat and milk. And some of the farm animals, they are used for other purposes as well. So my dear students, watch this video carefully to learn more about farm animals. My dear students, in our arts and craft lesson today, you're going to make bunny masks for yourself. Yes, you can see a picture of a bunny mask on your worksheet. So first you need to print it on a card. Then you will cut out the mask, including the eye holes, and then you're going to decorate it as it's shown in the sample. Then punch 2 holes on the sides of the mask and attach an elastic string. You can put it on and take a picture and send it to me. I would love to see you in your bunny mask. My lovely students, in our maths lesson, Today we are going to count the animals and write the numbers. And then we will count and connect the dots starting from number 1 till 10. How many? My lovely students, as you can see different farm animals on this worksheet. So you will count all the animals and write their numbers in the empty box. For example, in the first picture you can see ducks. You will count how many ducks do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 ducks. So you're going to write number 9 in the box. Then you will see the second line. Then see how many cows do you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows. So you will write number 4 in the second box. In the same way, you're going to count all the animals and write their numbers in the box. Let's connect the dots. My dear students, as you can see a picture of a cow on your paper. But this cow looks incomplete. So what you have to do? You need to connect the dots and complete the picture of a cow. So you will start with number 1 and you will join number 1 with 2 and 3, 4, 5 and so on till number 10. After finishing your picture, you can color this animal. Hello my little readers, it's our story time. And as you know, we are learning about farm animals this week. So I thought I should tell you a very interesting story about the farm animals. So are you guys ready? Okay, so the title of the story is The Day on the Farm, and it is written by Nancy Fielding. Farmer Brown and his family live on a little farm in the country. Every morning when the sun comes up, Farmer Brown goes out to the barn. He milks the cows, he feeds hay to the horses, he scatters grain to the hungry chicken. Cluck, 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 says the old red hen. The pig likes to have his back scratched with a stick. Oink, oink, he grunts. He's very pleased. When he has finished his chore, Farmer Brown walks back to the farmhouse. Mrs. Brown cooks eggs and bacon and pancakes for breakfast. Yum, yum, says Sally and Sam. They are just as hungry as the animals on the farm. Jip and Mittens are hungry too. At 9 o'clock, the school bus comes by to pick up Sally and Sam. Honk honk, the driver toots the horn. Hi, says all the children in the bus. Sally and Sam climb in and wave goodbye to Jip as the bus drives down the road. Farmer Brown goes back to the barn. He starts up the tractor. It is time to cut and rake the hay. He drives around the field in the warm sun. Jip chases a rabbit in the tall grass. In the farmhouse, Mrs. Brown is baking a chocolate cake. Aunt Alice and Uncle Tom are coming for supper. They are bringing their 2 children to play with Sally and Sam. Mitten wants to lick a bowl. Scat, cries Mrs. Brown. Mitten is not really afraid, but he runs out the door. It is noon and time for lunch. Farmer Brown meets the mailman coming up the path. He has a package for the Browns. What can it be? Lots of new baby chicks. Farmer Brown carries the box out to the hen house. When the chicks are bigger, they will run in the barnyard with the older farm animals. At 4 o'clock, Sally and Sam came home from school. They show Mrs. Brown their new books and pencils. It's fun to play in the yard. Sally climbs the apple tree and Sam carves a boat to sail on the pond. The children ride their pony around the field. Aunt Alice and Uncle Tom are here for supper. Sally and Sam are glad to see their cousins. Mrs. Brown's chocolate cake is a big success. Uncle Tom eats 3 pieces. The big folks sit and chat on the front porch while the children play hide and go seek. A harvest moon is rising over the fields. Aunt Alice and Uncle Tom and the children say good night and drive away. Time for bed. Tomorrow is another busy day. Good night, Sally. Good night, Sam. Good night, Chip and Mittens. And it's the end of the story. I hope all of you have enjoyed the story with me. Thank you so much, my dear students. I hope you have learned some new facts about farm animals, and now you have a lot of information about them. So take care till our next lesson and have a very nice day. I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.